This one ingredient is perfect for curing dry cough. Dry cough is one of the most common conditions. It is a reflex action that clears your airway of irritants and mucus. However, dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, doesn't produce phlegm or mucus. An ongoing dry cough can be irritating and may impact your day-to-day life. Most dry coughs are caused by a reaction to an environmental allergen, pollutant or toxin, all of which is expelled by the body from the respiratory system by coughing it out. Some national home treatments can reduce the frequency of coughing and can soothe throat soreness and irritation. One of the best home remedies is drinking Tulsi tea every day. Tulsi has long been known to have innumerable medicinal benefits, also making it an effective and safe natural remedy for cough. According to Pramit Kaur, senior dietitian, Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, just add 5-7 Tulsi leaves to 300 to 500 milliliters of water for a few minutes. Keep it to cool and then drink the water infused with Tulsi leaves. To make it more effective, add few spices such as cardamom, ginger, black pepper and cloves to make a herbal concoction. Drink daily for preventing dark circles, acne, rashes and other skin problems. Moreover, it has been found to protect organs and tissues against chemical and physical stress and is rich in nutrients such as vitamin K. Common causes of dry cough. Here are a few causes of dry cough that you should be aware of. 1. Asthma is a condition in which your airways swell and become narrow. Coughing is one of the most prominent symptoms of asthma, therefore, one has to be extremely wary of the effects it can cause. 2. Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a type of chronic acid reflux. It generally happens when stomach acid flows back up into your esophagus that connects your mouth to your stomach. Excessive stomach acid may irritate your esophagus and triggers your cough reflex. 3. Viral infection. When you get infected with one of the many viruses that causes common cold, which also includes coughing. However, the post-cold coughs usually linger long after the other symptoms have improved. Dry cough is due to the result of irritation in your airway, which is often sensitive after a viral illness. 4. Environmental irritants. These generally irritate your airways, including smoke, pollution, dust, mold and pollen. Chemical particles also tend to cause a dry cough. 5. Smoking can also be one of the causes of dry cough. The direct inhalation of toxins present in cigarettes can cause such a condition. The toxins settled in lungs cause inflamed reaction and body expels them through coughing. 6. Bronchitis. Acute bronchitis often develops 3 to 4 days after a cold or flu. It may start with a dry cough and if it prolongs, the coughing spells may bring up mucus. One of the best solutions, Tulsi tea. Tulsi is a member of the mint family and its traditional medicinal uses are many, particularly in Ayurvedic tradition. Holy basil, or Tulsi, leaves are widely used to prepare desi concoctions to treat microbial infections and boost immunity. It does not only possess antiseptic and analgesic properties that help cure many problems including dry cough, but a tea made using with Tulsi leaves relieves allergic bronchitis, asthma and other lung diseases in no time. It also has immunomodulatory, to enhance immunity, and antitussive, relieves cough, properties that provide relief in the respiratory system. In fact, it has certain oils that may clear the congestion. How to prepare Tulsi tea at home. Holy basil, or Tulsi, is an easy herb to grow at home. So, pick your fresh produce and wash it thoroughly. Follow these steps to prepare Tulsi tea at home. In a pan, add 1 cup of water and 5 to 7 Tulsi leaves. Allow it to boil for 10 minutes on low flame. Cover the pan and let the leaves infuse in water. Switch off the gas stove and allow the solution to cool down. Strain the extract and drink warm to cure dry cough. In fact, you can add other healing ingredients like cardamom, ginger, black pepper and even honey to this concoction. Drink it daily to get some relief. You can also mix honey with fresh Tulsi leaves and take it twice daily to reap maximum benefits. No matter what the cause of dry cough may be, Tulsi tea may come to your rescue.